Hi, in this Affinity Publisher tutorial, I'm going to address a question that I got recently about bullet point lists. So I made a video on how to turn on and off bullet points, and I will link that in the description if you would like to watch that video. But the question asked is do we have to use the dots or can we use other symbols as our bullet points? So here's what a normal bullet point list looks like. What if we want to use some other symbol? So let's go back to just having our list. And the way to do this is we're going to select all the text that we want to be bulleted. And we're going to go up to the menu where it says text, scroll down to text styles, and we're going to create a paragraph style. And the style that I want to do is a bullets and numbering style. I'm going to give it a name. We'll call it Bullet YouTube. And the type is going to be a bullet list. And it already has this little dot here in the text. So I'm going to just delete that. And I'm going to click on this little button with the three dots. And I can go and find my wingdings or any font that has glyphs associated with it you could use. So I've got a lot of different symbols in this wingdings here. So let's say that we want to just have a telephone. So I'm going to double click the telephone glyph, and there we have it. It's created the bullet point list with a telephone symbol. And I just want to also point out that there's this little checkbox down here, apply style to selection. And that's why it immediately applied the style to my selected text here. So you can change some other things here, like how much it automatically tabs or how it's aligned or whatever. But the main question was how to apply symbols. So we'll just stick to that for now. I'm going to say OK. And now my style is saved. You can see here it says Bullet YouTube as my paragraph style. If you ever want to go back and edit this particular style, you can do so. If you go to View, Studio, and scroll down to text styles, that will bring up a window that has all your different text styles. So here you can delete ones that you don't want. So by going to the little menu next to the style that you want to select, I can edit it, I can duplicate it, I can delete it. Um, let's go ahead and edit it. So now I can come back here, get rid of the telephone, and let's go and maybe make it a pencil. There we go. Okay, so now we have our bullet point list in pencils. You can also obviously create a new style for things that you use often. So paragraph styles is the way that you can apply different symbols from your glyphs that are available in your fonts to your bullet point list. Thanks for watching.